principle of independence of judiciary and principle of separation of powers, we always think as parliament that judiciary normally oversteps their mandate, because the work of judiciary is to interpret the law. The work of the executive is to implement, and the work of parliament is to legislate and lawmaking process. What we are seeing as a country is where there is what we call overreach and overstating of their mandate. I think judiciary must be called to order. I said last year that the current judiciary we have has gone rogue. While we appreciate that the rule of law and judicial independence should be respected, that one does not extend to judicial impunity and corruption. We are in a country now at the moment that Kenyans are saying, why hire a lawyer if you can pay a judge? And that is the we don't want to see. Mimi mwenyewe mwaka mwezi wa pili tukirudi bunge la Senate ndaleta motion ya kuchunguza zile pesa zinaenda kwa judiciary zinafanya kazi gani.
Kama kuna miscarriage of justice, I agree with the president. Kwa hivyo hata judiciary hapa hakuna malaika peke yako huko, kuna hata mashetani huko pia. So in every society there is an abnormality. Katika executive kuna abnormalities, katika judiciary kuna abnormalities, hata katika parliament kuna abnormalities. So every part of the society they have their weaker part. Tusijibisiane hapa ati rais amesema hii law society demonstrate, we will also demonstrate against you.